Hi, I'm Austin with InfernoWare, and today we're going to talk about the application process for our shield coatings. Today we're applying InfernoWare Shield, a high-performance, decorative coating available in a wide range of striking colors with excellent abrasion and chemical resistance. Before anything else, gloves and proper PPE should be on. Keep them on for the entire process. Any skin oil or grease on the substrate will cause adhesion failure. When applying InfernoWare coatings, proper PPE is necessary, such as a respirator like this. Applying InfernoWare coatings is simple. All you need is a gravity-feed pneumatic paint gun. It is also recommended to do a quick test spray to check the consistency and coverage of the spray before getting started. Step 1. Pre-clean the surface. Use xylene or a similar solvent cleaner to thoroughly degrease and remove contaminants. Let it dry completely. Step 2. Abrade the surface. Sandblast or media blast with the appropriate grit for your substrate material. The surface needs to be uniformly rough and matte, not shiny. Shield won't adhere to a smooth or glossy surface. Step 3. Clean again. Remove all blast media and residue with a solvent wipe or sonic cleaner bath. Inspect closely. Any debris left behind will show in the finish. Let the surface dry fully. Step 4. We recommend heat treating the substrate at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. This will bring any oils to the surface. If there is any oil present, repeat steps 2 through 4 for the best results. Step 5. Apply Shield. Spray at the mil thickness specified on your product label. Shield comes in dozens of colors and finishes: eggshell, satin, semi-gloss, velvet, and more. So take your time and apply evenly for a clean, consistent look. Step 6. Air cure. Allow the coating to cure at room temperature according to the label specifications. Don't rush it. Proper cure time is what separates a durable finish from one that chips or flakes. Shield's tack-free time is around 30 to 60 minutes, and another coat can be added after 2 to 3 hours. Shield delivers a finish that's tough, chemical resistant, and looks great. For color options, technical data, and more, head on over to InfernoWare.net.